US President Donald Trump has issued what he called a last warning to Hamas to release the hostages being held in Gaza. "I am sending Israel everything it needs to finish the job. Not a single Hamas member will be safe if you don't do as I say," Trump said in a lengthy post on his Truth Social platform. It comes just hours after the White House confirmed it is holding direct talks with Hamas over the hostages. Washington has until now avoided direct engagement with the group, and there is a long-standing US policy against having direct contact with entities. In his social media post, Trump said there would be hell to pay if the hostages were not released, while not specifying the nature of the support he was sending Israel. "Release all of the hostages now, not later, and immediately return all of the dead bodies of the people you murdered, or it is over for you," he added. For the leadership, now is the time to leave Gaza, while you still have a chance. He also appeared to threaten civilians. Also, to the people of Gaza, "A beautiful future awaits, but not if you hold hostages. If you do, you are dead."